Let's see question number 26. Question number 26 is very important, student, because if you will go through your previous year question paper, you will see that the number of times this question has arrived in board. Alright, so do attempt it very well. Now let's see the next question. This is for visually impaired candidates. This is not for you who are the normal ones. Question number 27. Here again the marking scheme is divided as means we can say that the numbers are distributed as 1.5, 1 and half. Question number 28. Question number 28, it is divided as 1, 1, 1. Question number 29, again 1, 1, 1. Okay, so you have to solve the questions very well step by step. Again, there is an internal choice question of the same chapter. Question number 30. This is of probability chapter. Question number 31. Question number 31. Again, it is distributed as 1, 1, 1. You will see, student, that 1 mark carries for let means what you are considering. Okay, what is x, what is y? This will carries 1 marks. For means framing the equation, it carries 1 marks, and the final answer, this carries 1 marks. Okay, students, why I'm sharing this marking scheme? Because it will gonna help, it will really will gonna help you a lot. Okay, when you are practicing the questions and all, if you go through this sample paper and the marking scheme both, then you will see that how you have to solve the question, which are the things which you have to keep in mind. Okay, it will gonna help you a lot. In short, once again I'll tell you. Now come to graph based question. This is also one of the most important question. Not I'm saying the same type of a question, but graph based questions are very important because it always comes. Means if you'll go through your previous paper, you will see that graph based question every year you will get. Every year. Okay, so it is very important, you have to attempt it. If you don't know how to solve it, then do practice it very well because it is very important. See how the marks distribution is there. If you will draw the correct graph, you will get 2 marks. If you will find out its solution, you will get half marks. Then the final answer, half marks. Okay, if it is of 3 marks. Yeah, if it will be of 5 marks, sometimes what happen, if the question is of 5 marks, then there you have to find out the intersection point and all. That is a type of the other type of a question. But yeah, we all sometimes we also get graph based question in 5 marks. Once again, this question is for visually impaired candidate. Now let's come to section D. Section D, yeah, it is of 5 marks. Okay, and this question is also very important because this type of a question you always get in the paper. Okay, it is divided as 1 1 1 1. Here, please go through it how this 1 1 marks is distributed. When you will going to write what means if you are writing any statement or any equation, framing an equation or solution. Okay, so when you are getting 1 marks, when you are getting half marks, answer statement, which step you are getting. So go through it very well. Question number 33. See what it is given. Correct given figure and construction. It carries 2 marks. Correct proof. You will do your proof correctly. You will get 2 marks. And then it is given that this after solution, it is of half marks. Okay. Come to the next question. This is of, again it is of 5 marks, and this is question number 34. Here also we have internal choice question, and this both of them are of same chapter. Okay, now let's move, and this is of surface area and volume. Let's see question number 35, statistic chapter. Okay, every year you'll see. Means if you'll go through your previous year paper, so you will see that how many times this, I mean, these type of a question, I must say, means mean, median, mod, it always comes in 5 marks. Always. Table carries 1.5 marks. If you write the formula and put its value, it carries 1 marks. The final answer carries 1 marks. If any model, class, limit, or whatever it is asked, so it carries half marks. And then again, if you're finding mean and all, then again it carries 1 marks. In this way only the evaluators check your copy. Okay. Now let's see its other part, that is the optional one. This is also of statistic.